A third way we can go about selecting parts of an image is to use the Polygonal Lasso tool, and we do that to use straight lines. When we use the lasso tool, we click and drag, and we use it to make whatever kind of lines we want. They're not necessarily straight, and it allows us to do curved things. If we want to do the Polygonal Lasso tool, we select straight lines. To do that, we click and hold the lasso tool, and then we get another menu popping up, in which case we click the Polygonal Lasso tool. Click that, we see that change. We also drag it over, we see change there. So now it's straight lines rather than circular lines. And so we want to select the beak. Right now where we are, it's a little bit hard to do, so we need to zoom in. So we click our zoom tool, click and drag over the beak, move our palettes out of the way so that we can see where we're going to be selecting. Click the Polygonal Lasso tool again, and now we click. Now when we use the lasso tool, we were clicking and we were dragging. Here all we do is click, and wherever we move, that's where our line goes. So that's what we'll be selecting. So, and then wherever we want to put a mark, we just click, and that lets us select things without clicking and dragging. All we're doing is clicking, moving, clicking and moving. And this is handy to do if we're selecting a shape with a lot of straight lines in it. Now what happens is that it moves automatically when you move to the top or the bottom or either side. So don't worry about it moving, it'll do it on its own. And when you come back to the start, you'll see a little circle appear. It's a little bit difficult to see, but next to the cursor a little circle has appeared. It's not there now, there it is. Gone, there. When the little circle appears, that means that it's ready to close off the shape that you've selected. So once you've got it there, you click on the button again, and there the shape of the beak has been selected. I'll move the palettes back to where they were. Double click on the magnifying glass to zoom out, and now once again our beak is ready to be copied and pasted. So we go to edit, copy, edit, paste. It's pasted the beak in a new layer right here called layer 1. Hide the background layer, and there we can see our beak. And once again we can do whatever we like to that beak. Make sure it's selected so it's blue. Can move it to wherever we want. And of course it's a good habit to always rename our layers. Show the background layer again just to show where it was, and to show what beak we started with. But there, that's how we use the Polygonal Lasso tool.